your guide to search and website creation. Looking to explore Google or create your own website with its fantastic tools? You've come to the right place. Let's dive in. What is the Google website? Google's main website, google.com, is the world's go-to search engine. It helps users find information, images, videos, maps, and so much more in just seconds. But that's not all. Google also offers handy tools like Google Sites to help you build your own web presence. How to visit Google's homepage. Getting started is simple. Just follow these steps. Open any web browser. Type google.com into the address bar. Press enter and start searching instantly. How to build a website using Google Sites. Want to create your own site? Here's how to do it in just a few easy steps. Go to sites.google.com. Log in using your Google account. Click the J+ button to start a new site. Add your content, text, images, videos, and links using the editor. Customize the design with themes and layouts. When you're ready, click Publish to take your site live. Key features of Google Sites. Why choose Google Sites? Here are a few great reasons. Free to use with any Google account. No coding skills needed, just drag and drop. Integrated with Google Drive, Docs, Calendar, and more. Mobile-friendly and responsive by default. Whether you're just browsing or ready to build, Google makes it simple and enjoyable. From quick search results to launching your very own website, it's all just a few clicks away. Start creating your own website today.